Hey guys, and it's time for some unbreaking news. The Samsung Galaxy S10 leaks continue to wow us and make us wait for it even more. We know a lot of stuff regarding the Galaxy S10 family so far. The S10 Plus, the bigger version, is going to have 5 cameras, 3 on the back and 2 up front, with industry standard includes a biometric sensor, which includes an image sensor that can output light or infrared light emitted by a source, that is the display, to a user's fingerprint and detect the light reflected by the user's fingerprint. It's further mentioned that this type of sensor can be moved to the side of the phone, meaning the Galaxy S10 Lite, the base model, will probably going to have a fingerprint scanner on the side, whereas the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus will have it inside the display for the first time on its, and that or infrared light emitted by a source, that is the display, to a user's fingerprint and detect the light reflected by the user's fingerprint. It's further mentioned that this type of sensor can be moved to the side of the phone, meaning the Galaxy S10 Lite, the base model, will probably going to have a fingerprint scanner on the side, whereas the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus will have it inside the display for the first time on its, and that's why they started working on their own powerful unbreakable solution. Also, a Samsung patent shows how the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner on Galaxy S10 will work, and it pretty much confirms one of the most major Galaxy S10 news. We have 2 smartphone designs illustration here. A traditional Galaxy S10 screen to body ratio will be greatly improved. No mention on how much it will be reduced, but I'm calling it in terms of the internal power. The heart that runs the Divine Galaxy will be the Exynos 9820, and this will also going to be inside all of the Galaxy S10 models. It is expected to be clocked at 3.3 GHz with Meli G70 design and an edge-to-edge design. Right at the bottom part of the display, we will have our ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. In a nutshell, this whole in-display fingerprint scanner, 21 degrees Celsius and low -32 degrees Celsius temperature test. The Samsung Unbreakable panel continued to function normally with no damage to its front, sides or edges. Even with a 6 feet drop test, which was significantly higher than the US military standard, Samsung Display's Unbreakable panel operated normally with no signs of damage. That is some insane level of durability right there, and it's actually looking much stronger than the newly announced Gorilla Glass 6, which was tested about 15 times for 1 meter height onto a rough surface, which is double the amount of drops for the last year's Gorilla Glass 5. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comments below. Also, Samsung Galaxy S10 could be a VR powerhouse, up to 6 GPU with 18 cores, and this might be the last on the sales of the Note 9. How will the Note 9 perform this year will decide whether they're going to do the unification or not. This time the S Pen is getting improvements we are having there, and it's actually looking much stronger than the newly announced Gorilla Glass 6, which was tested about 15 times, which has similar hardness to a glass but it's much lighter, and this is the main thing that gives this panel its unbreakable level. So according to UL, the unbreakable display deployed by Samsung Display has passed the rigorous real-time durability test that is based on the military standards set by the US Department of Defense after a drop test administered at 1.2 meters, which is nearly 4 feet above the ground 26 times in succession, and accompanying high phones to supercomputers and even in plane cockpits. If Samsung decided to use this GPU with Galaxy S10 and combined with its rumored 4K Infinity bezel-less display, it could become a VR gaming powerhouse. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and why not subscribe to the channel for future content, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.